Good morning, boys and girls. We have a new story today. This is a story just for you to enjoy and listen to. The title is Howard B. Wigglebottom Listens to His Heart. So that is his name, Howard B. Wigglebottom. The author is Howard Brinko and the illustrator is Susan Cornelius. Howard B. Wigglebottom loves to dance. Whenever Howard felt sad, he would dance and wiggle away the blues. Dancing always made him happy. There he is dancing in the shower. Until one day at school when the other kids made fun of him, and the dancing stopped. They're all laughing. Howard wanted to fit in. Being liked and acting cool was important. So important that he decided he would never dance again. Maybe everyone will like me if I'm a rock star, so I think I'll try singing, Howard said to himself. But that didn't go quite as planned. Look, they do not think he sounds very good. Or maybe I'll be the best at basketball. Or maybe art. Then I'll be liked for sure. Howard felt everyone was better than he was, and that there must be something wrong with him. Just when it seemed his day couldn't get any worse, it did. After school, Howard's little sister hopped by and said, "I'll race you home." Howard tried his hardest, but he knew he wasn't really that fast for a rabbit. Grandpa Sammy could see his little grandson was a changed bunny. His wiggle was gone. "What's wrong, Howard?" he asked. "Nothing," Howard mumbled. "That's not what I see," said Grandpa. "It's okay. You can tell me. I'm a good listener." Howard told Grandpa everything. "I keep trying and trying, and I'm not good at anything. There must be something wrong with me," Howard said. "There is nothing wrong with you, Howard. You're good enough just as you are," said Grandpa. "Try doing things just for the fun of it, for what you'll learn, and for the friends that you'll meet along the way. It's not about winning or being liked. Listen to your heart. Do things that make you feel good, no matter what your friends say." "What makes you feel really good?" Howard answered, "Dancing. I love to dance, Grandpa." "I thought so," Grandpa said. "If you like dancing, then practice and be the best dancer you can be." "Maybe I can help. I know a thing or two about dancing. I used to wiggle a bit in my day. Dancing goes way back in our family." "Howard, you come from a long line of Wigglebottoms," added Grandpa. Every day after school, Grandpa Sammy taught Howard new dance moves. Howard's favorite dance was the one he made up all by himself, and he and Grandpa called it the Wigglebottom. One day Grandpa said, "Howard, be proud of yourself for doing your best and trying different moves. You listened to your heart and invented your very own dance. And now I can tell you feel really good inside." But the next morning, when Howard read the school poster, "Sock Hop Dance after school this Friday," he became nervous. Howard wanted to go, but what if his friends laughed at him again? Friday arrived, and everyone gathered in the gym after school. The music started. Howard closed his eyes. He danced and he wiggled. Howard was the happiest he'd been in a long time. When the music stopped, he opened his eyes to silence. Boys and girls, everyone's watching him. They were all watching him dance. But what he heard next made his heart sing. One person started clapping, then another, and another. Soon everyone was yelling and cheering, "You rock, Howard! Awesome! You're the best! Teach us your cool moves, Howard!" Howard smiled from ear to ear. There was a joy in his heart that he hadn't felt in a long time. Dancing made him feel really good inside. He was proud to be what he was born to be, a Wigglebottom, through and through. Look how happy and proud he looks. Feels good about himself. That was the end of Howard B. Wigglebottom Listens to His Heart. There's some different questions about the story, boys and girls. So think about our book. Who was our main character in our book? Yes, it was Howard B. Wigglebottom, because the whole story was about him. So he was our main character, or our most important character. Where was our setting? Where did our story happen? Yeah, it kind of happened at Howard's school or at his home, most of those places. He wasn't out anywhere. He was usually at school or at home when he was talking to his grandpa. What was Howard's problem? His problem was that he loved to dance, but he didn't think that his friends liked that. He thought that he should be doing other things that his friends thought were cool or that they liked to do. But the way he solved his problem is that after talking to his grandpa taught him, you need to do what makes you happy. You need to do what you like. You need to do what you are good at and not worry about anyone else. And once he did that, boys and girls, once he just started dancing because it made him feel good, his friends saw how good he was. His friends saw how happy he was, and they started cheering for him. And then he felt proud of himself because he listened to his heart. He did what made him happy. So that is Howard B. Wigglebottom Listens to His Heart. All right, boys and girls, have a great day. Talk to you soon.